I'm Matt Blickley. I work for Consolidated. I head up our financial planning and analysis group. We have about 150 Vena users, and across the organization there's 100 plus distribution centers and 13 manufacturing locations for 14,000 employees that we plan for. At Consolidated, we went to look for a solution like Vena because we had so many disparate spreadsheets across the organization. We knew that our business was going to be changing over the next couple of years, and we needed something that was going to be flexible to grow with us. But the combination of the centralized OLAP database with the native Excel was the selling point for us. People across the organization are providing more valuable input into the solution, and we're getting a better budget as a result of that. We're now seen as a valuable resource across the organization because of the value that we've shown through implementing Vena. And I've gotten a lot more credibility from the organization as a result of implementing Vena. Personally, for me, Vena is probably the best professional decision that I've made in my career.